I read black at that man. When you get black, I'm on paper is black me.
Paper. But you don't climb on paper.
You know, me you just, you know, me don't want to hold that still, but run the video, let me see the video now. So me tell you, you can't be a musician and do them folk here in the art. Run the video now, man. Arto, don't worry about that, man. Let me see the video now, Arto, because me tell you, black me up at everyone, me can't really see the video them. You know, and the field page, you really catch everything, Arto. Arto, fuck it up, man. Run the video now, man. Get that important things, you know. Arto, Ranky can do next week, man. Run the video, let me see the video. Arto. I don't want to see the video. Show it one more time, man. Then now. Run the video now, Arto. I don't want to hear your voice, Arto. Push up your phone, push up your phone. And this is not man. You know, see sound no fucking sense. You know, see a real Bob's that in a life. Girl nice, no blood clot. Girl nice, no blood clot. I got them Bob's that them a call mad. Them a put it together. That no sense. That art, what's not yet?
You're not back the door.
We are promoting the big song.
No, we are talking about your work.
My phone just a dial. I don't want to hear nobody but the client. The my phone just a dial. I don't want to hear nobody but the client. Arto, I tell you say you motivate me na Arto. Where they are? Last year, you say you still have them in your phone, Arto. Arto, how would you feel your music if we not believe in you?
What's in your film, my young? Who are your husband's smart things there? every woman want me. It's unreasonable. So they come to the conclusion and say, woman want when other woman want. You understand? So here is my advice. Let's be alone, right? What will look one by take the arm, what will look social media. And then come back to the media now, all of the woman. They have a big ball. So they have to somebody wanna do media. They read media, that's the lie.
Bartender, them full up a man heart. Why you want me to say this? He's so romantic. How come around? Seriously? Yeah, he pressed them, yeah, I know what it's at. Everything when we get, we give it all back to others. So we never hold it for our work.
When I give it all back to others, what would they feel?
You should have told me this earlier. You don't give what already, you know, now go on, you know.
Oh, but there you can't let that again, yeah.
So, I'm not going to ask about that, say, I ask about, would you advise me, say, you are that, if you do?
Yeah, I find the food of that farm brilliantly.
So, yeah, so I'm going to follow in your footsteps.
What
I want to reach like,
what my yeah.
Dep on the phone, just dial. You don't want to hear nobody. Try and...
Yeah, they want to be, they want to be.
Them know say I'm using and them can't say nothing to you.
Why must you think they are the power in the next one? Yeah, but it's like, yeah, man. No, I'm going to be
auto. You see your auto. Auto is a giant thing, girl. So, as a man to man auto, when I'm an auto, as a man to man, you're going to link your arm here. You show me some piece of crap. Already, you know, no, I'm not joking, auto, I'm not joking. I'm not joking, auto. I don't feel who don't that. Low that. Where them one right now? It's not work for me, auto. I'm doing this one, David. It's not work for me, auto. Well, I have no with that. Just show me the book. I don't know nothing about that. Yeah, true, we don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about that. It's a phone you would use to call me granny, you know? Yeah. That's all I mean. Yeah, much people over there right now. Buddy, how much? You don't get people over there, right? Yeah, no, feel like you can start all in the business. And start back up. And start telling me to and put them in the you know, keep doing work. Well, you know, remember, it's not really a media person, you know, we just come down pieces and everybody is kind of gravitate to me and bring. I never really come over here as a comedian or as a mix man. It's just because of me and bring situation make people kind of gravitate to me. So I don't really know. And like you went involved in a comedian and you come over here when you come in. Some guy you wouldn't really have the same story at all. Yeah, but when you come to the quad, you will start from it get here, right? Yeah, what do I know? Nobody wants to get it. Now you get your tonight. So yeah, your advice is maybe invest into some merch. Merch you want to do? What you know what to do? I don't know if just show me you want to do. I'm not going to be like said by some sexy jazz and thing I said, you know, some of them see-through jazz and you know some G-string and you know and some ties, something where we tie up, but you know, because you want them freaking and they don't want to talk to you freaking about. They love when them man tie them up and have something now. And I see them like, we didn't pre say, yo, we don't get in some of these things and start sell them in a book. That's why I say, we don't really have nobody with advice. Like, you want to have one with your advice and education. So you think, Arthur? What is that? The bird power doing that, do it. Tell them Arthur. What do you mean, Arthur? The man comes on the chop up, slap them up, man. You want them freaky, Arthur. You want them freaky, but as a woman, them not like talk, say them nasty, them weird. You know? Them not like talk, say, yo, them hard about that. You have to just get the action done. You know, but them love them things, Arthur. You want to know when them things and them things there, no man. You think them like a bitch. How about them big guy? Big guy. You know, say big guy if I want someone to use to do. It's like you use your personal drive. I like anti, like, yeah. But when I have no time for that, yeah. We used to do it one at a time, but everything I hustling, everything I try hustling. So who over there tell you about it, jive? not say nothing bad boy because me not say nothing bad boy, you stick up, pick up yourself. But me a real hustler, you should follow me. Look what me there now. Look where I'm at. But each time I like all the car in Cuba, me used to do it too. Do it one time and one time I have